show you these bases first of all. First base here is, it's a square, so we've got wavetable position 5, but then I've gone in here and I've took away the fundamental. FMing this one, Ican Has Kick, it's a very popular one in digital. So we've got the sine sub, square without the root, and then we've got this Ican Has Kick, which is like got a lot of harmonics and stuff. Then I've put the sync one on there. And then finally this filter, just this filter here. It's on the level of the sub, and it's on the cut off of the filter. Got a bit of hyper, no sorry, I've got dimension. I ain't got this one, I don't really like this one. Just to spread it. That's the multiband, and I've got slow attacks, very slow release because it's a long sound. Bit of soft clip with a bit of automation on the drive. Reverb, and then I'm taking out 2 notches. And some chorus to soften it, right? But this one's a nice one. Both in the Serum pack this month, link below. Same thing again, it's sine wave, square wave without, you can leave the fundamental in, but it might clash a little bit. And then the Ican Has Kick. And as well, it's got this bit of sync on it, which just makes it higher in pitch. In the effects, we've got reverb, a bit of notching. I boosted it as well, 600. Got the soft clip. Soft clip's just to warm it up a little bit. You've got to warm it up in kind of as many ways as you can, just subtly. Okay, let's have a look at these subs then. Now the subs, I did a lot of resampling, and then it ended up sounding like this. I've got the Pro Q on there, and it's doing this. Thermal, aggro waves. Cool, so I've not finished that beat, but I just thought I'd show you some cool vibes and stuff. If you want to, so cool. Now the drums I actually deleted, and I replaced with some drums I made from another project. These ones, sample. So it were like, I just thought it sounds better, made them drums yesterday, dragged them in instead. They're going to be in the sample pack. Then I dragged these squares in. This is from the sample pack. I just reversed this, like from the dub delays the other day, I just reversed it. Got this little classic phone thing again. You guys seem to like that. That's all in the free members Patreon, so link below.